All right, good morning everybody. We out here doing a honeybee call out in Jacksboro. We're teamed up with A&R Wildlife Services. This is their call. We're out here just helping them get them out. So we've got a monster hive that's right up here. And this is going to be one of the few times you see me suit up because they are very spicy this morning. And we've got rain in the area. So they are not the best. We all know girls don't like getting their hair wet. So, come along. Let's see what we get into. Yeah, buddy. That is one heck of a gap. Yep. Alright, here's our first look. Got us a nice little colony. Well, we're about halfway through the box. Kind of see what we got going on in here. Rachel has been vacuuming up bees like crazy. So they filled one hive body up. Gonna get another one and keep on stacking. This is a monster.
Do you want me to leave these out so that can be emptied in there?
Yeah, we'll leave it out for right now. Alright, well, we've got to the back of the hive finally. As you can see, it was a big one. There's a lot of comb we could not save just because it is so thick and it is covered in honey. These girls are loaded. We was able to find the queen. Oh! She is right there. We found her pretty early, so it made the job a whole lot easier. I didn't have to be so careful. I could play Yogi Bear. I do believe Rachel has gotten her first indoctrination to honeybee cutouts. Yep. Alright. We're going to keep on keeping on and see how this develops. Alright, take a little break. We'll let the girls kind of settle down a little bit. And we've opened the box to see what we got. Box full of bees. Now we're going to see if we can't get them in the new home. Yippee skippy. I'll let you pull that out and you can feel how many bees are in there.
Oh wow. Pull it all the way out?
Yep. that hive open?
Yeah.
Okay.
And on the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm surprised they're not.
No, not yet. Well, that has got that one in the box. And just in time, because we got another little summertime shower. So we got them setting up there now. Now we're just going to leave them be and see what happens. So we're going to let these girls settle down for about a week, let them settle into the box. Andy's going to come along and take them home to a new place. What you think about it? So remember, if you're ever up in Knoxville or Jacksboro area or Powell, all those areas, Andy can take care of you for wildlife control. You want to give them your phone number or anything?
865-640-4840.
And that's A&R Wildlife Control. So we're going to get off here and get out of the rain, because, you know, we ain't too smart. We need to get dry. So until next time, remember, God is good.